Mr. Chair, I am not getting the right answer here. Napakasimple po ng tanong ko. Out of 1,416, 4 days ago, ilan ang na-repatriate? Yun lang po kasimple.
Yes, ang sinasabi ko po, Mr. Senator, we will subtract the 60 that had returned from the 2 Emirates flights for the last 2 days. So 1,400 less. It's around 1,300 remaining still, Mr. Senator.
That is how we reply to the potential dangers.
Mr. Senator, as I mentioned po at the outset of our presentation, the current repatriation effort still ongoing. There are at least six fronts.
Mr. Secretary, ang sinasabi natin, this is not yet the worst scenario. March 2, nagbigay na sila, nagpapagibik na sila, napapasaklolo na sila. This is one country team approach, sabi ni ASEC. Out of 1,416, 60 ang na-repatriate natin. This is not the kind of response.
Sir Senator, ang hinihingi lang ho namin ay konti pang panahon dahil
Hindi,
currently
naintindihan ko
we
po yun.
are
Naintindihan ko po
undertaking
yun.
the repatriation effort. We're crossing them over by land.
Secretary, what I am presenting is a one-country approach. Hindi po tayo dapat mag-away-away dito. I am using this as a test kung gaano po ang level of response natin today. Kaya gusto nating hanapin yun. Wala pa po yung worst case scenario. Ang sinasabi natin kanina, paano kung magkaroon ng worst case scenario? For example, naging hindi na 1,416, naging 14,000 na kagad. So para lang ma-determine natin kung gaano ka-adept ang level of response natin. Yun lang ang punto rito. Okay.
Bago mo sagutin, may interject, Senator Marcoleta. Secretary Gagdak and ASEC Tago, saan ho tayo nahihirapan? Because, tama po, yung tanong po, malinaw, 1,400 plus, pero out of that, 60 pa lamang po. Bakit po tayo nahihirapan? Bakit hindi po natin maiuwi, mai-repatriate, maialis yung 1,400 na yan at madala sa safe na lugar? I think that's the question na Senator Marcoleta is asking. Saan po kayo nahihirapan? Bakit kayo nahihirapan? Bakit tayo nahihirapan at hindi natin maialis, mailagay sa safe na lugar yung 1,400 na yan,
Yes.
Secretary?
Sa ngayon po kasi sarado ang airspace sa lahat ng bansa na covered ng requests for repatriation. Kaya't ang options po natin is land crossing. Kaya yun po ang isasagawa natin. Ang ating pong sinasawagawa ngayon is to ensure that when we transport them by land, ito po ay safe. Ang element of risk is low. Kaya hindi po ganun kasimple, marami po tayong tao, kaya yung volumes that we intend to transport will have to ensure na ang land route is safe. By and large, the land route will take around 2 to 3 hours travel when you're speaking of the land route out of UAE, for instance, or the land route out of Israel. But we are imploring the patience of the honorable senators because this is currently being worked out. And once we hit our stride in terms of the land crossings, then we will facilitate the volumes that are necessary to be repatriated. Pero yun po ang main difficulty, Mr. Chair. We are basically limited by the fact that air transport is severely curtailed gawa ng pagsara ng airspace.